have you been in this pandemic situation? You as an individual, you as a dentist professional, because especially a doctor like you have to be very close to the patients in a very close proximity. So how have you been taking care of all these things? What precautions have you been taking?
I think this is a very important question. But if we see what is this pandemic? Basically, it is a virus infection which is contagious, means which can go from one person to another. Now, if we see even routinely, there is always a challenge of contagious infection from one person to another. Now, at Royal Dental, we have been taking utmost care not only in this pandemic situation but as a routine. Now, what are those things which we do? First is we have the moment a patient comes, we don't see that all the patients are in the waiting room. We don't have a clutter in the waiting rooms. There would never be more than one person in our waiting room. So this is the first thing we
Okay.
did. So what do we do with the patients? We have different restrooms along with the bed and the WC bathroom, all individuals, and we allot them for each patient. They may be with their family or they may be individual. So once they are, put into those rooms, they are being initially offered some refreshment like tea, coffee, or something. They can have, your televisions, or they can ask any questions to our assistants and, know about the clinic. And then, when their number comes for consulting, they will come. So first is that social distancing, which we now talk in the pandemic. This has been a routine procedure for Royal Dental since more than 20 years.
Great.
So, because of this, our patients already, we have this protocol. Now, we added to this in this pandemic situation. What we started doing is that we ask the questions to the person, even in the very beginning, whether they have any travel history, or we take, their temperatures, and, we are all our staffs and all they, wear your PPE kits and everything. So we take care that, we don't become infected and nor we can transmit the infection to others. Now, your second question was that, okay, we work so near to the patient, so that is again a challenge. So once we have followed the initial protocol, then when we are working, we are already having our PP kits, we are already not allowing the infection to go. And we have since checked the, all the pre-treatment protocols. The patient is also relatively safe and would not, contaminate us. And this is
Correct.
how, we start the treatment, and we see that, there is uh, safety, and the other patients who come, they don't get infected.
Correct.